Hello, I'm in Frederick, Maryland, caring for chickens. I'm going to show you how I do it. It's my very first time. I'm only like on day 2 or 3 here of caring for these chickens. Step 1 is to put your protective gear on because we're going to be scooping poop and you do not want to be breathing in fecal matter. Let's get started. All right, so you see the ladies here, all the girls, okay? There's 6 of them. First thing we do is we gotta put some more bedding down for the girls. The next step is we feed the chickens food scraps. Get out of here. Look at this guy. This guy's So that's just a mix of, there's some tomatoes, chickpeas, food scraps, cucumbers, things like that. All right, and you'll see they love getting the food scraps. This is where I check the food and the water. The girls need some water, and they've definitely knocked over their knocked over their food today. I'm gonna fill up the food and the water, okay? I'm just gonna leave you here though because it's just gonna be better that way. Now we got the food all refilled. Oh, hello. Oh, excuse me. There's their food, and now we need to refill their water. So we're going to take the water out and get the water refilled. Put the water in. Excuse me, girls. There you go, girls. There's some water. Let me check for eggs and scoop the poop. Okay, so we got both. We got eggs and poop. Let me turn the camera on here so you can see. So there's some eggs. That's a lot of eggs back there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs today. And we gotta scoop all this poop up. Just shut that for a minute before I scoop. Well, I got the camera this way. Here's the girls. Hello. There's some eggs. Hello. Bark, bark. Ah, see? They're already eating that food. Hi. Hi. There's some happy girls, aren't they? They big. There, and they're in the process of getting a new coop. Aren't you girls getting a new coop? You gotta lock it every time. You do not want these girls getting out. So you can see, oh, they're kind of really far back there. There's 2. 1. Darker brown, white, a lighter brown with speckles, and a blue. They call it a blue. So here's the 5 eggs for today. Looks like almost everybody laid one. So we have a white. This is more like a blue. They call it a blue. A lighter brown and then a darker brown. And sometimes it's really cool because these brown ones, whether they're light or dark, are super speckled. So I think they're pretty. But that's what we have today. And the last bit, the least fun, is scoop and poop. And then this poop will go in the compost. And that's it. That's it. One last look at the girls and we'll be done. So I've always wanted chickens. So I wanted to take care of these ladies. Why are you all down there? Girls. You see them? Come out, girls. So this is a good opportunity to kind of like test it out. Yeah. So keep you posted here, and you know, so if you're thinking about chickens, they do require daily maintenance. I mean, it's definitely not a lot, right? You can get it done in under 10 minutes, and they don't even need that food filled every day, and they don't need this water every day. But I wanted to show you on a day where we did do all that. Yes? Yes, I hear you. But we definitely got some good layers. It's okay. This one's kind of shy. Look at, she's kind of like a lion. So just know, if you do get these lovely ladies, that they need daily maintenance. But they give. The more you love them and take care of them, the more they lay. So, hi. 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 They're like, excuse me, you're in my home. Like, I'm out of here. Alright, so that's that.